Okay. So power's on. Now when you open this right here, this is the soap dispenser. So this stays closed throughout the wash. But if I click this, that's kind of, this is very hard to push. It's got a lot of tension. So I don't know if that's it, but I've tried soap here and here, and I can show you what I'm using. Right here. Here we go. See? So I've put it here, and I've put it here. There we go. See, it closes. But when I wash it, it doesn't open. This will not open. And I don't know what this is. So I wouldn't even know how to fix this. There's no instructions, you know? All nice and clean. You know? When it works very well. So, hear that? All right, guys. I hope this helps. I'll upload this to you guys right now.